Exercise 10F question number 1A. 4x square equal 1. What is the answer? X square equal 1 over 4. X equal square root 1 over 4 plus or minus half. So this is cos square theta equal 1 over 4. Cos theta equal, I took the square root of both sides. This is going to be cos theta and plus or minus half. Now there are two equations. One is cos theta equal half. The other one is cos theta equal minus half. So let's consider cos theta equal half first. Theta equal cos inverse half, which is going to be 60. So cos is positive on first and second quadrant, fourth quadrant, and this is acute, so this is 60, 60. So one answer is 60, other answer is this angle. So whole 300 minus 60, 300. And we'll continue now in this range. So we'll to find the other angles, we want to add 360. It means, so we want to go one more round, and when we come back to the same place, 60 plus 360, 420. So this is more than 360. We don't need this one. So this one is going to be cos theta equal minus half. Theta equal cos inverse minus half. It means theta is going to be, this answer is 120. Now this is not acute. Then we need to find acute. So this is 120. Actually, it is one answer. Now this is 120. This whole is 100. So this is 60. So this is the acute angle. Now cos is negative in second and third. So this is 60. And the other angle is this one. 180 plus 60, 240. When you add 360 to get the other angle, this is 480 more than 360. Then definitely this is also more than 360 when you add 360. Now only four angles there. What are they? Theta equals 60, 120, 240 and 300. Those are the angles. If you see plus and minus, you can work with one because cos is positive in first quadrant and this angle is 60, 60, and cos is negative in this one. Have plus or minus, then we have to use all quadrants 1, 2, 3, 4. So this first one is 60, second one is 120, the third one is 240, fourth one is 300. So you can work, having this knowledge, you can work with one diagram. What I did here, I just merge those two together and work in one. And I use 60, the positive value of this one. Instead of taking the negative value, I get the positive value angle 60. Because even if we get the negative one, so it's going to be not acute, and when we find acute, it's going to be same as this one. Part B, 2 sine square theta minus 1 equal 0. Then I will find 2 sine square theta equal 1 minus 1 to other side. So sine square theta equal 1 over 2. I make sine square theta as a subject. Then I will square root both sides. So sine square theta half. I will take the square root. So this is sine theta equal plus 2 minus the square root again. Same. Now I can work with, I need plus answer and the negative answer. There are two equations. Sine theta equal positive 1 over square root. Sine theta is negative 1 over square root. So I need, since plus and negative, I don't need to look at. So I can just draw all four angles now. And theta equal sine inverse 1 over square root 2. I pick up the positive value. So this is 45 acute angle. So then this is 45, 45, 45, 45. For this equation, sine is positive. It means this one and this one. For this equation, sine is negative. Then this one and this one. So this one is theta equal 45. The second one is theta equal 135. Third one is this one, theta equal 225. Fourth one is theta equal up to here. This angle mean 360 minus 45, 315. Now you have to add 360 until we get this one. Okay, 45 plus 360, it is more than 400. So then we don't need that angle. Since these angles are more than 45, we don't need to check. So then the final answer is 45, 135, 225 and 315. Part C, 3 sine square theta plus sine theta equals 0. 3x square plus x equals 0. When I take x out, this is 3x plus 1 equal 0. X equals 0 or 3x equal minus 1, x equal minus 1 over 3. When I take sine theta out, this is going to be 3 sine theta plus 1 equals 0. Then sine theta equals 0 or 3 sine theta plus 1 equal 0. Sine theta equal minus 1 over third. Now we can't work with one diagram because two sizes. So we need two working out. So I'll consider this sine theta equals 0. Then theta equals sine inverse 0. It means this is going to be sine theta equals 0. So in the sine graphs, when you draw, which places sine equals 0? You start from here. This is 90, 180, 270, 360. So 0 also sine 30 equals 0. Then 180, then 360. So then answer sine inverse 0 is 0 you will get. Then the next one is 180 and the other one is 360 and there are more, but we don't need, this is out of range. So that is done now. So theta equal 0, 180, 360. Now the other one. Sine theta equal minus 1 over 3. Theta equal sine inverse minus 1 over 3. Your answer is 19.41. Now minus the minimum value should be 0. So this is not an answer. However, this is acute angle and we can draw the diagram. So this is 19.41 or actually sine is negative 1. So sine is negative in this quadrant and third and fourth. So we'll start. So this is the first angle. 180 plus 1941. So theta equal 191.41. And the other angle is this one. It means 360, 1941. So 340. 340, 59. Now the first one is this one. Now to get the second one, we did this one. Now third one. So we are going one more round here and stop here. It means we need to add 360. When we add 360 to get the second one, it is more than 360, so we can drop. So those are our angles now. So theta equal, the final answer is 0, 180, then this one is ascending, and then 340, 59, and 360. Part D, you can work like this as well. We'll take let tan theta equal x. So then this is going to be x square, 2x minus 10 equals 0. Then you can factorize this. Actually, there is no it's not easy to find the factor, so we have to use quadratic formula. So x equals, so a is 1, b is minus 2, c is minus 10. So I am using this formula, minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac over 2a. So x equal minus b mean this is going to be minus 2 plus or minus 2 square minus 4 times a times c is minus 10 over 2 times 1. So this is plus 2 plus or minus 4 plus 40 over 2. This is going to be 2 plus or minus 4, 2. Now there are two answers. One is x equal 2 plus 44 square root over 2. Other one is 2 minus. Another one is 2 plus 44 over square root, not square root 2, just 2. And this answer is going to be minus 2.3166. And this answer is going to be 4.3166. So now we'll replace x mean tan theta. tan theta equal minus 2.166. This is tan theta equal 4.3166. Now theta equal tan inverse minus 3.166, and this is theta equal tan inverse 4.3166. Then theta equal minus 66.65. So this is acute angle. So we'll use this one, this angle, since it's acute. And tan is negative 1, second and fourth. So this is 66.165, 66.65. So this is also an answer, but the range is less. It is less than 0, so we don't consider this is as answer because out of range. Now the first angle is this one. It means theta equal 180 minus 66.65. So theta equal 113.35. The other angle is this one. So that is, this angle is theta is 360 minus 66.5, which is, that is 293.35. Now if we add 360 to get the other angle, so this is going to be out of, so we'll work with this one. Now theta equal tan inverse 4.3166. So that is 76.95. So this is also acute. The tan is positive on first and third. So this is 76.95, 76.95, and the first one is fine, and the second one is 180 plus 76.95, which is 256.95. So now those two angles is 76.95 and theta equal 255.95. If we add 360 further, it is going to be out of range. So those are the final four answers. Pi to cos square theta minus 5 cos theta plus 2 equals 0. Cos theta equal x. So we will take this one. 2x square minus 5x plus 2 equal 0. Now we can work it out. 2x minus 1 and x minus 2. So 2x equal 1 or x equal 2. Yeah, for x there are solutions, but okay. So this is x equal half over x equal 2. What is x now? X is cos theta. So cos theta is half over cos theta is 2. Now, when you look at this one, the theta graph is minimum and max is going to be in between plus 1 and minus 1. So this is 2. It means there are for cos theta equal to, there are no solutions as theta varying minus 1 to cos theta varying 1. But for the other one, cos theta equal half, we have a solution. Theta equal cos inverse half. So theta equal, this is going to be 60. And then cos positive 1 first and fourth, 60, and 300. When you add 362, it is more than 360. So final answer is theta is 60 and 300. And for this one, no solution. Part F, sin theta equal x. This is x square minus 2x minus 1. When you try to solve, there will be no solution, like we can't easily factorize. Then we have to use the quadratic formula. So x equal minus b minus 2 plus or minus b square minus 2 square minus 4 times a is 1 and c is minus 1 over 2 times 1 minus 2 plus or minus, this is 4 plus 4 over 2. So x equal minus 2 plus or minus square root 8. Square root 8 means 4 times 2, 2 square root 2, 2 square root 2 over 2. Then x equal 2 to 2 cancel out. One answer is x equal 1 plus square root 2 and the other one is x equal 1 minus square root 2. So x mean tan theta, sin theta equal 1 plus square root 2. I can see that this is 1 plus, so hence there are no solutions. Let me do a small correction. This is minus, I lost this one. This is minus 1 and this is minus and this is minus. As a result, there are solutions. And this is also minus, hence this is also, there are solutions. So theta equal sine inverse minus 1 plus square root 2. This is sine theta equal minus 1 minus square root 2. Theta equal sine inverse minus 1 minus square root 2. Actually, sorry about this. One more. This is minus minus b. So then this minus times minus positive. Yeah, as I discussed earlier, this is positive and this is this. We can't find inverse value because this is greater than 1. Sine theta vary in between minus 1 and 1. So there are no solutions. This is positive now and this is going to be minus 24.46. This is a acute angle. Sine negative in third and fourth quadrant. Now this is 24.46 and this is 24.46. So one angle is 180 plus 24.46, 204. The other angle is this one, 360 minus 24.46. $335.54. So the two answers for this one is theta equal to 204.46. Another one is 335.54. Part G, tan square 2 theta equal 3. So let's take tan 2 theta equal x. Then this is going to be x square equal 3. Then x equal plus or minus square root 3. Now x mean tan 2 theta. Tan 2 theta equal plus or minus square root 3. Now there are two answers. 2 square root 3 or tan 2 theta equal minus square root 3. If I take now, I can see 2 theta, 2 theta, and this is theta. Now let 2 theta be capital X. So then tan x equal to square root 3 and tan x equal minus square root 3. Now 0 greater than theta greater than 360. I need now 2 theta. So multiply by 2. So 0, this is 2 theta and 720. So this is the range. Now I have tan x plus or minus the square root 3, tan capital X. When I take positive value, tan inverse square root 3, this is 60. So now, since both are same size, square root 3 and square is only the symbols. Now, tan positive in first and third, tan negative in second and fourth. Basically, we need all the quadrants, and I found out the acute 60. Now instead of drawing 2, I am drawing in 1 now. 60, 60, 60, and 60. The first one is we found out 60. Theta equals 60. The second one is this one. Theta equal 120. The third one is theta equal 240. The fourth one is theta equal 300. Now I want to add each line 360s until I get this 720 criterion. So 60 plus 360, 420. Yeah, okay, 420 is fine. Now 420 plus 360, 780. So this is more than 720. So 780 we don't need. Now 120. 120 plus 360, 480. And 480, 360, then again 840. So 840 out of range, we don't need now. Then 240 plus 360, that is 600. And we don't need to take 360 because this is already failing. And this is 3 plus 300 plus 360, 660. Now all the angles are not theta. This is x actually. X equal, so 0 greater than x greater than 220. 2 theta mean x. Now 60. After 60, what is the next one? 120. Then 240. Then 300. 420. 480. And then 600. And 660. Now x mean 230. 230 equals 60, 120, 240, 300, 420, 480, 600, 660. Now this is 230. I'll divide everything by 2 to find theta. So this is 30, 60, 120, 150, 210, 240, and 300 and 330.